Hi, this is Dr. Serena Satcher. I'm talking about stress this month. And let's see, the next question is, are there any medications given to treat stress? And people are often looking for quote unquote stress pills, such as benzodiazepines like Valium, and these medications have really contributed to some of the addiction issues that we're facing in society because they were overprescribed like in the 80s and the 90s. And there's still a tendency to prescribe some of these when it's not warranted. And these are really medications that should be avoided because they have high addiction potential. And I sometimes recommend more holistic treatments like herbal teas, like essential oils. Some supplements may help with symptoms of stress, like L-theanine. And L-theanine naturally occurs in green tea. It's important to find out what the root cause is because often when I would say most times when I see people that are having panic attacks, anxiety, depression, have some root cause related to an organic problem in their body with like a nutritional deficiency, lack of sleep. There's something that's not being provided that the body needs.